Watch this video and try not to think of me while it's on. Seriously.
Hey, bro. Ooh, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
All right, let's do that. That way, I'd rather not drop the most expensive ones first.
Oh, I didn't even realize what those were. I was like, I'll grab this bag. Yeah,
so we're getting ready to put in. We'll worry about all this stuff. I got the Mavic Mini, I got the boats. I'll worry about all this in a sec. Once we get in, I'll have them hand it to me. We're gonna put it behind me for now. Kind of keep everything in a nice little area there. Who showed up? Out of the blue, he's like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm down here at the park. And Go Fly One just stopped by. I should have put him on camera. Go Fly One just recognized me while I was out here. He watches my channel too. That's cool. But, huh? Thanks, man. It's hard to miss me, isn't it?
Me too.
Such a beautiful, sexy guy. Can't help it, man. It's all this beautifulness. Well, Brad, you ready to see what happens?
Yeah, let's do it.
Float or sink?
Hopefully float.
This could end so bad.
Do you want to put it, take everything out, then get in?
No.
I was going to say, I could hand it to you when you're in.
I'm all right, brother. All right, we're going for it here. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, this thing's like... There we go. I'm in, man. My balls are a little squeezed, but I'm in. Yeah, probably gonna have to pedal like this. Thanks, man. Yay.
We got a lowrider boat.
All my friends. So you got it made. You got the little scooty piece and the.
Bad, I want to get the BB gun out the car.
And just take a couple shots at it. Actually, it's not really riding that low, dude.
No, not now.
Yeah, it feels like it's settled in pretty well. I'm just kind of slumped in it. I'm like, yeah, lazy boy. Oh boy, yeah. Hey, Ronnie. Wee.
I'm glad I brought stuff for water.
Yeah.
Shorts and
Yeah.
speaker and whatnot. I'm already soaked. I can't. I keep lifting it too high and just dropping water out of my lap.
It's just a simple like this, simple stroke. Yeah, buddy. It's doing pretty good for a inflatable. There is a tad bit of drag I'm sensing. Yeah, getting some of the drag from it. It's not horrible, but it's definitely noticeable. I think it's the skirt that's around the bottom. That, and we are going upstream and against the wind. Worse or better? Down there? Okay guys, wish me the best of luck. Hopefully I don't hit this dude on his boat. I'm gonna start a recording. Brad, you are in the way. I have no idea what this is gonna do.
I'm having a hard time getting out of the way.
Alright, you out of the way there, bud? Here comes the wind. This will be fun. 3, 2, 1. Oh, take off. There she goes. Beautiful. Yes, I was able to take off from the kayak. EV comp looks good. I am getting blown around. Brad, if you think you can push me a little bit and keep me in one spot, that would be awesome. We'll see how things go. Let's go say hi to this guy real quick. Hey, guy.
Someday, when my life has passed me by, I'll lay around and wonder why you were always there for me. One way, in the eyes of a passerby, I'll look around for another try.
If you don't want the sensors to mess with you, turn it around forward and bring it back to yourself. You like that? Huh? Yeah? Boss status. Yeah. Alright, so Brad, were you fearful for me?
Yes.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of it.
Yeah, so that's not something I would suggest a beginner pilot or even a intermediate pilot have a go at.
I suggest nobody do that.
Yeah, that's not the most intelligent thing to do unless you really understand orientation, especially orientation when it's reversed and the boat is drifting away on you.
You should get like some pool floaties and put it on the landing gear for one of these things.
Yeah.
And now it's a sea drone.
Yeah, you could do that.
It would probably kill the drone. If it just got stuck.
I've seen lots of drones get killed that way. Just the testing goes badly. All right, well, we're heading back because we've been out here for a minute, right?
The boat ahead too.
12:29, yeah, we've been out here for a good minute. Okay guys, let's have some fun. Yeah. Let's set this over there. Well, it's out the way. And we'll throw it in and go. Wanna give it a go?
Huh?
Wanna give it a go?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's fun, right?
Looks like it.
He said it looks like it. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Zippy little thing. Boop.
Can that thing carry anything on it?
Like a GoPro? No, it's...
I meant like a beer.
Oh, why? To transport it to somebody else?
2 boats, yeah. Got
Bram. I never thought about that, actually. That is kind of funny.
Charge for delivery.
That would be funny, dude, if you were like working a boat thing and you vent out on the water, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Well, we are almost back. I have plenty of battery left on the Mini, so we'll probably go for another flight. And we'll tear the rest of the boat around here a little bit. We got another battery for the boat, and then we'll probably call it a day. Nice little kayak trip. Good little workout. Dude.
That kayak over there?
Yeah. What, the kayak?
Yeah.
Bro, yeah, for 300 bucks. Not too shabby. A little bit of air came out. We got the stretching out of the way, I think. But this needs to be redesigned because I was putting, like, this just kept going back. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It started way up here. So I'll probably tie that off next time so the straps can't keep going back and back and back.
Yeah.
I think that's the best way to do it. Ah, come here, you loser. Oh, yeah. Well, that was fun.
It was. Do it again next week?
Yeah, if I can get the straps figured out a little bit better, we'll be good. Everything held up pretty good. All right, we're loaded up, calling her a day. Let's see if I can find the keys here. Oh, I lost them. Oh, jeez.
Don't forget, guys, we are a channel about breast cancer awareness, so don't forget to save those tatas. There will be a link in the description so you guys can make a donation if you want to. And I will see you guys on the next video. Toodaloo!
There you have it, a film that could save your life with boobs. There's something for everyone. You're welcome, planet Earth.